The nurse needs to administer prescribed heparin 70 units per kilogram IV bolus before initiate the continuous infusion per institutional protocol. Heparin 1000 units per ml is available at the pharmacy department. The patient weighs 168 pounds. How many ml of heparin bolus should the nurse administer? Record your answer using 1 decimal place. The correct answer of this question is 5.3 ml. The rationale behind it is using 168 divided by 2.2 to get to be kilograms. The result multiplied by 70 units because it says 70 units per kilogram. The result is the desired. So the result divided by how the medication is available, which is 1000 units per ml. Round to 1 decimal place, the correct answer ends up to be 5.3 ml.